Hi, today we want to make amazing black and white photo editing in Photoshop. You can use this trick for movie poster design or make your profile pictures. You can download image from description links. If you want test this tutorial. We didn't use any plugins. Let's start. Open image in Photoshop. Go to Image menu and Adjustment, then Brightness, Contrast. Set brightness on 17 and contrast on 62. Create new layer and pick Paint Bucket tool. Set color on black. Left click on screen and fill the layer. Set layer mood on color. Now click on mask icon and make mask layer. Pick eraser tool and change color to white and try to erase glass parts. Change color to white and right click on screen and open brush tool option. You can change brush size and hardness. The hardness setting is available only for Photoshop's round brushes. Setting the hardness as a percentage from 0 to 100 will feather the edges of the brush. 100% is a crisp edge, and 0% is a completely feathered edge from the center of the brush to the circumference. Set size on 23 and set hardness on 0%. Now try to erase glass parts. If you want to get back some part of image, you must set color on black and use eraser tool again. Well done. Now make copy from image layer with hold Ctrl button and J button and go to Images menu and Adjustment, then choose Brightness, Contrast. Make it darker for better glowing golden lights part of glass. It's better now. Create new layer for glow lights flare. Pick brush tool and set brush size on 158 and hardness on 0%. Change brush color to this color. Move lights layer to top of layer list. Now just click and drag on glass frame. Set layer mood to screen. Go to filter menu and blur, then Gaussian blur. Set radius on 38. Pick move tool and make copy from glow light. Just hold Alt button and drag. Set layer opacity on 39%. Make a copy again with Alt and drag. Set layer opacity on 60% and pick eraser tool for remove some part of this light. Now pick move tool again and make other copy from light layers. Set opacity on 70%. Make a copy for frame color reflection. And set layer mood on hard light. Well done. At last you can go to layer next new adjustment layer and then hue saturation for change glass frame color easily. Change hue slide for change color. You can download image from description link. Thanks for watching and subscribe Digigraphic channel. In next tutorial you can learn how to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop. It's really useful and easy, and you can use this trick on profile pictures and wedding photography. Watch now.